How to stop receiving unknown numbers, message, and video calls on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop receiving unknown numbers, message, and video calls on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the WhatsApp application, make sure you visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your WhatsApp is up to date. This is to ensure that you will have the latest features within the app. Now just head on and open WhatsApp right here. And actually, there is no way to fully stop receiving messages or video calls from unknown numbers. So although it is not actually a step to block all unknown people, the first way I'm going to teach you is to hide your WhatsApp status. So to do this, just click on account right here from the settings page. Click on privacy. And let's click on this last seen status. And make sure that it is set to nobody. So it is one way to discourage some people from sending you unsolicited messages, so that because the sender will not be able to determine whether your account is even active. Of course, this will not fully stop all the unknown contacts sending you a message. Another way is to click on this groups option right here and make sure that you have set your groups or the people who can add you to groups to only my contacts, so that random people will not be able to add you to random groups. So what we are only able to do is to manage and reduce WhatsApp spam messages. So we are not able to fully stop receiving unknown numbers, message, and video calls on WhatsApp, unfortunately. So if you want to individually stop receiving a message from a certain contact that you don't know, just go to your chats tab and click on that specific conversation that you want to stop receiving messages from. After that, just click on their number at the top part of the screen, scroll down a bit, and you will see the option to block or report them. So just do both of that option so that this person will not be able to spam people, and just click on report and block right here so that WhatsApp will be notified on their spam messages. So that is how you can basically stop receiving unknown numbers, message, and video calls on WhatsApp. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.